Hey, what's up, you guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Today, it's Saturday. I just had finished my work week. Um, and it's gonna be a chill weekend. I hope so. And yeah, what's on my mind right now? It's actually thinking about what happened last night, but not really that much, but it still lingers on my mind. Um, because I feel a bit pressured um, for one of my clients that I'm working on and I'm working with in terms of generating leads. Because you guys know I'm a media buyer, and my role for any clients that I have is for the to generate leads and purchases depending on the industry and the services they have. So last night we had a discussion for that particular client, and it's not an issue, but it's something that we definitely have to, I would say, need to speed things up because after launching ads for a week, we still got haven't gotten any leads. And to say it's a week, it's just the data is too low to like get promising leads right away. I mean, as a marketer standpoint, but I also understand from an owner standpoint and a salesperson standpoint that there's a little bit of pressure as to why we are not seeing any leads yet. But right now, for me as a marketer, I feel like we are still in the testing phase of figuring out if the ads are working, the creatives are working, the messaging are working, and then be able to optimize it along the way. And that's what I have kind of mentioned during the call with them last night. It was an update basically of what's happening within our own channel or department. So yeah, and I've been there before because I looked back like years ago when I first encountered that thing, talking to a client and talking to a business owner, and you know them asking me why we are not yet seeing any leads. Before I was really reactive, but last night I feel great about myself for not being reactive, but it's more on giving feedback and giving, making judgment based on the data that I'm seeing, and basically just being an expert because I no longer have that fear if I get to question why things are not working, because it is expected of me to be an expert, and that's how I was able to frame it, that I am an expert in this field and this is what I'm doing. So I'm pretty good about myself regarding that. So it's a win. It's a win for me. Right now, that's why I kind of also said that I feel pressured. It's because yeah, I think at the end of the day, people, business owners, agency founders, at the end of the day, even though you have this great storytelling of what happenings and all that, when they're not see anything that would impact their business downstream, they wouldn't see your value. So I understand that, but it's also for me um, to like really dig deep and understand what's working and provide concrete and concrete feedback for our team to work on. So that's it, that's on my mind. And yeah, just I thought just wanted to share it because it lingers in my mind. So right now, I already mentioned it's Saturday, so I don't have concrete plan. I'm thinking of going out to the mall to buy some lettuce and to hang out as well. I don't know if I'm gonna bring along with me my siblings, but yeah. So maybe stay tuned for the next video. Hi, Nay. Saman sa piling. Hello. We're at Landers. Char. Grocery yan.
Pwede naman dahil kanina mo kayo nana. Grocery. Pwede cup ko ng karne. Sa balay.
Char. Libre. Thank you sa libre. Sa food trip. Nagawa din ano? Kapag i-half na lang nato to. Ito na nino.
Sana kasi lagyan sana kasi.
Hey you guys, good evening. So we're still at Landers. We're waiting for our tawagan na Grab. Not Grab, GSM Green. So it's gonna be our first time to try the Green GSM. It's a new ride-hailing app here in Davao. So it would be a little exciting to try. Ano, di ba? Electric ilaha ano. There are electric cars here in Davao. So ride-hailing service. Asa na siya i-play?
Dili na siya sa Purok Bani.
Almost there. Tapos siya sa may USEP. So we're just waiting for our hailing rider. So the Green GSM is almost here. Let's see. Ikaw lang sa gulit kaya paano eh. Dito na lang ta. Wala na tayong nabili na. Let's go. Let's get the... Ayan. Muna, no? Muna. And here in GSM. Sige, una mo ta si sulod ning.